Streaming XML efficiently is essential for handling large datasets or resource-intensive applications. Java's streaming API for XML, StAX, offers a pull-based approach for precise control over XML processing. Unlike DOM or SAX, StAX allows developers to pull events like start and end elements as needed. StAX processes XML data as a stream, minimizing memory usage. It has cursor-based and event iterator APIs for fine-grained control of XML events. StAX supports both reading and writing XML efficiently. It boasts low memory consumption, ideal for processing large XML files. StAX is faster and more memory efficient than DOM and SAX. It allows selective processing, extracting only required parts of an XML document. The pull-based parsing in StAX is inherently thread-safe and simpler to use than SAX. The cursor-based API utilizes XML Stream Reader for fine-grained event control. The Event Iterator API uses XML Event Reader for a higher-level abstraction. Examples include reading XML with cursor-based API, processing specific events manually. The XML Stream Writer allows efficient generation of well-formed XML documents programmatically. Use cases involve processing large XML files, handling real-time XML data, and extracting specific nodes. Best practices include closing streams, using buffered readers and writers, and validating XML input. Challenges include handling exceptions like XML stream exception and leveraging libraries for optimization.